This is why I don't use the screws from Home Depot. I'm gonna be as straight as possible. That one good. That one good. Good. That's a bad one. That's a bad one. That's a bad one. It won't even go in. That's a bad one. Let's clean it. It's in. Look at how crooked that is. That's a bad one. Now if I try it like this, if I get my magic going and I hold it with my fingers, then it'll go in all the way. The real sheetrockers know that you pretty much just have them here. You just go for it. You don't really need to go deeper into it. No more Home Depot screws.